Hey everyone, welcome back to Elicit Folio, where we turn simple ingredients into something special. And today we're going to learn how to make a rose simple syrup. I absolutely love the simple syrup, especially for drinks, and it's so easy to make. So let's get started. So to start, over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of granulated sugar to a saucepan. You will need to heat this gently until the sugar melts without bringing the mixture to a boil. Then simply stir these ingredients together until the sugar melts, and then once the sugar dissolves, just turn off your heat and add your dried rose petals and stir. Then you're going to allow the petals to just steep for about 20 to 30 minutes, almost like you're making a tea. After your rose petals have steeped, strain and pour your new rose simple syrup mixture into an airtight glass bottle or jar. Stay tuned to see what drinks I make with this beautiful rose floral syrup. And if you want the full printable recipe with all the measurements, be sure to visit my website at elicitfolio.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you loved this video, and I'll see you next time.